Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can update your CapCut PC app. So if you're on this page, just go to menu and go to more and go to the version. But if you're on the home page, you are going to basically select just the version right here. So if you're already on a project, for instance, you're going to just go to menu and go to more, and you're going to select the version that you're on. Then you're going to select check for updates. Make sure you also have this checked on, and as you can see, we do have this version update, and you're going to select install now, and you're just going to wait for it to update. It does take a few minutes depending on your internet speed as well, but once you're done, CapCut will restart and it's going to open up the CapCut app again. And that is basically it. You won't lose your projects, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!